Hi, just a quick review on the, I think it's pronounced Hoyer or Hayer, no idea, washing machine. I'm going to say Hoyer, like the watch. So I've just got this today. I've installed it myself actually. Got it from John Lewis. This one was $4.99. And I had a washer dryer. Excuse the mess, I need to get new flooring. I had a washer dryer before and I've decided just to go for a washing machine. And then I can take this away with me when I move. So I'll just open it up. It's got a light inside. This is just a quick review because I noticed online there was no reviews. I'm just about to put the wash on for these. I've done a couple of washes already and it's very quiet, but that's coming back from like an old like 7-year-old washer dryer. This one's like in the kind of gunmetal grey, just to go with the worktops. So I've not even looked at instructions, but it's very easy. So you just got your settings there that you can scroll through, and if you want to change certain things, it's touchscreen, so you just change it here. That one's set on there, but for example, cotton, I can change the temperature, put 60, speed, I'm gonna put 400, and then you just press go, put the detergent or whatever the hell you call that in there. So that's for liquids, and you can close that to stop the liquids going through or something like that. So that's a little look at it. So that's it locked, so it won't open. It's got a lock button there. I've got an open like living room kitchen, so I wanted something that was a bit more stylish. The light turns off after a certain period of time, and if you want the light to go back on in here, all you do is like turn that and it'll turn it back on. Just gonna let it play for a bit just so you can have a look. I think the only reviews on this were like in Russian or something. But yeah, so far, pretty good. Love the style of it, especially when the light goes off. So when the light goes off, you can't see what's inside. It's obviously at night time, it's a bit dark. Excuse the mess, I've gone nearly a week without a washing machine and my flooring's ripped up. I've had a couple of issues in the flat. Just want that light to go up just to kind of show you. I'll probably put it to a fast forward. Looks pretty cool in the dark, especially for this open planned kind of living. There we go, it's finally gone off. So that's what it looks like, you can't see what's inside it.